Okay, so today I discuss about the microwave or pure rotational spectra. Okay, so previously I discussed about the spectroscopy. Okay, so for Born Oppenheimer approximation, that is electronic energy is much greater than vibration energy. Vibration energy is much greater than rotational energy, and rotational energy is much greater than transition energy. Okay. Well, most of the cases we ignore transition energy because transition energy is not quantized. But vibrational, electronic as well as rotational energy, they are quantized. Okay, but transition energy is not always quantized. That's why sometimes due to small value and also due to not goes to quantized energy level, so that's why transition energy